Hey everybody, hope you guys are having an awesome week. Just wanted to send out a quick tutorial on some of the enhancements that we are making to our transaction management department. So some might ask why we are doing this. Well, the whole reason behind transaction management is to give you your time back. We want to continue to add additional options to our transaction management program and make the technology easier for you to use. So the things I want to discuss today are some of the department structure, the listing and contract to close additions, some of our platform enhancements, and I want to go over a couple of questions that we've gotten recently as we've discussed these changes, so that you know what's coming down the line for you. So really cool things. We have added some folks to our transaction management department that I want to talk about. So everyone knows Kimberly Lewis. She's our transaction manager. She's overseeing the department and handling all of the Austin market. Liz Petrovich, for those that have not had a chance to work with her, she covers all of the Dallas market and is backup for Austin. Cheryl Tenbrick is our listing coordinator. She will be covering both the Austin and Dallas markets for our coming soons, new listings, and open houses. And then we all know Sheila Young, our compliance coordinator. She does still cover both Austin and Dallas, and she is going to be issuing all CDAs. So one really quick thing to note, for all of us that tend to send emails directly to Kimberly@homecity.com, direct to Kimberly Lewis, that email address is going to be going away. So I want to make sure that if you have an email address set up on your DocuSign templates, or you're just in the habit of sending emails directly to Kimberly, that we have it going to the right spot. So for Austin contracts, we're going to send to tcteamaustin@homecity.com. Dallas contracts to tcteamdallas@homecity.com. Listings are going to go to listing@homecity.com, and then anything that is just needing compliance help or DA issues, send to tcteam@homecity.com. Okay. Some of the really cool enhancements that we're making to our listing management program. We have had the request several times in the past to really quickly on the fly write up and send off a listing agreement and associated docs to a seller on one of your behalfs. So now with our additions to the team, we can do that for you. If you ever need a listing agreement written up for you and docs sent out, we'll be able to take care of it. We have had requests in the past to also help with marketing descriptions. Sometimes you don't quite know what you want to say, or you need a little bit of help on that side of it. We have the experience that we can go ahead and assist you with that. So listing coordination will now be able to write your property description and send over to you for approval, okay? We've been doing this for a little while, but wanted to make sure that I reiterated it. We are able to order and manage setup for any of your photography, videos, drone shots, etc. We'll do that on your behalf. It is still at your expense though. Okay, so new in contract to close land. Writing and sending amendments. I'm sure we have all run into a situation where we have had a client, or we're out showing properties. We just got finished negotiating some repairs, and we need a little bit of help getting an amendment out before a deadline hits. So instead of you having to stop what you're doing and walk away from that client, you can actually reach out to your transaction manager, and we will go ahead and write up and send that amendment off on your behalf. We do send it to you for approval first, so make sure that you're checking it out for us so we can get it out on, according to your deadline. Another really cool feature, we've been asked for a lot of vendors to help with repairs for our clients. We can actually manage your repairs for you through 360 Home Connect. 360 Home Connect has a new division of where we can send them the scope of work that needs to be completed, whether it is for a seller getting their home ready to sell, or for your buyers once you are negotiating your repairs during option period. We will send out the scope of work to 360 Home Connect. They will reach out to their group of licensed and bonded contractors and send us back 3 competitive bids. They're all written bids so that your client can review them, decide what they want to choose. And if they choose one of those bids, we can actually manage the entire process from there. That includes coordinating the repairs, making sure that the contractors follow through and complete, and then getting all repair receipts back for lenders or for the other side of the table if needed. So really, really cool additions there. So I do want to talk a little bit about how to send new listings to transaction coordination. You can do this both from the platform itself. So if you log into Regen from your desktop, and here in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to do this from your phone. through the mobile CS site. Okay, really, really cool. For those that have been around for a while, you know you can use it to update your accounts. Now you're going to be able to use it to send over new listings or new contracts. Okay, so you would go into your transactions tab on your client's account and click on the add transaction button and click on new TC listing. That'll pop up this short form for you to fill out and complete. And when you click on estimated time, it'll tell you how long it will take for the listing department to get the listing online or in a coming soon status. Okay. That way, if you do have a deadline that needs to be met and it's got to be done a little bit quicker, you can still know if you need to manage it yourself. Okay. Really quick, really easy, very simple to use. Also, how to send over new contracts to transaction coordination. On the same transactions tab, there's going to be a new button that says new TC contract. Again, bear with me. I'm going to show you how to do this mobilely from your phone. It is super, super easy. Once you click on that button, it pops up this really quick short form, asks for some basic information. And if you have not uploaded your contract or addendums, you can do so right here using these buttons. If you are CCing transactions team Austin or Dallas from your DocuSign account, you can actually just instead of uploading the contract or uploading addendums, they'll already have it for you. And when you click on Save Data, they'll be able to go and find that in their records. Okay, so really, really easy. Another really cool thing that we have added on is a commissions breakdown. I know we get a lot of requests for, when a CDA comes over to you, is what is the actual breakdown in the numbers that are coming to me. So we have added that button, and basically if you click on it, what's going to pop up is this. It will tell you any and all fees, marketing funds that you've allocated, if you have an assistant that is being paid, transaction coordinator fees, your E&O, any charitable deductions, etc. Gives you a breakdown of how we came to your disbursement amount, okay? Hope everyone's happy about that. I know it's been something we've been working on for a really long time, and we've had a lot of requests for it. The next thing that we're going to be launching is our transaction coordinator tasks. We all kind of want to know where we're at in the process, what has been completed, what's coming up next, and when can we expect it to be done. If you come into your transactions tab and you click on coordinator tasks, it'll pop up a screen that's going to look like this. Basically, it'll tell you everything that has been completed, anything that still needs to be checked on, and what is the next steps in the process, and when can we typically expect them to be done by. So again, I know we want a lot of transparency within the organization, so I want you to know exactly what's happening at any point in time with any of your transactions. Okay, so a couple quick things to go over real fast. Please remember, listing communications are all going to go to listings@homecity.com. For our Dallas team, TC team, Dallas@homecity.com, TC teams, Austin@homecity.com for any new contract to close communication. I do want to show you real fast how you can actually do this from your cell phone. So if you are adding TC as a CC to your DocuSign account, you can actually, on your phone's browser, go to mcs.homecity.com. I would highly encourage that you actually save this to your home screen. So for Android users, all you need to do, there's a button up in the top, you click on it, it's going to open up your menu, and you're going to come down and you're going to click on Add to Home Screen. For iPhone users, down at the bottom, you will actually see a little square icon with an arrow pointing up off the top. If you click on that, there'll be an option over here that says Add to Home Screen, okay? That will set it up to where you actually have an icon on your device that's very easy to access, and when you do, you're going to get something that looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to borrow one of Jennifer's accounts. So when you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks just like this. You can start typing in your client's name. So I'm going to use Brandy on her account. And I'm going to open up Brandy's account. Once I open this up, I have an option to update accounts. So for anyone that has trouble actually updating your accounts while you're out on the road, you can actually log your notations in here so you stop getting those pesky text messages from us at 9 a.m. every morning. But if I want to send a new listing to TC Teams, I'm going to come over here and click on Submit Listing to TC. And that's going to open up that short form that we discussed earlier on. Okay? Type in our information, upload our photos if we need to, and provide any exclusions, special provisions, etc. Okay. Oops. Now, if I want to submit a new contract to TC, I just come in here, click on Submit Contract. Oops. That didn't work. I apologize. That'll be ready to go effective Monday morning. So as we discussed in the previous screen, if I click on Submit Contract to TC, that's going to take me back to, take me back to this screen. And I can fill out my information directly from my phone, okay? So again, all of this is designed so that we can save you more time and make you more efficient and for you to be able to do more items from the road, okay? All of these changes, all the enhancements that we're making to this program, it's not going to cost you any more money. Our goal is to provide more services for the value that for the value that we have as an organization. So, again, kind of coming back into this, the additions and the enhancements that we have made to the program, we are able to send listing documentation off on your behalf. We are able to help you more efficiently with your contract to close process. We can write up amendments on your behalf. We can track and manage your repair items. All this is designed, again, to keep you out in the field, keep you working, and hopefully make your lives a little bit easier. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to be here for you. Thanks again for your time. Look forward to seeing you at the next meeting.